PS5, PS4, Xbox Series XS. Hag problem. You're stuck on the message of the day screen in Black Ops 6, and the game doesn't load or freezes indefinitely. Step-by-step fix guide, PC, PS5, Xbox. 1. Restart game and system. Fully close the game, Alt F4 or console home, quit. Restart your PC or console, launch the game again. 2. Check Activision server status. Go to h/support.activision.com/online services, choose Black Ops 6. If servers are down, wait until restored. 3. Clear cache. PC, battle.net/Xbox apps, Steam. 1. Press Win R, type shell-set local app data %. 2. Delete the battle.net, Blizzard Entertainment, or Call of Duty folder, whichever applies. 3. Restart PC. Enter Xbox One power off console. 2. Unplug power cord for 60 seconds. 3. Plug in and turn on. PS5, PS4. 1. Shut down console fully. 2. Hold power button until you hear 2 beeps. Safe mode. 3. Select clear cache and rebuild database. PS5 only. Or simply unplug PS4, PS5 for 60 seconds if not using safe mode. 4. Disable crossplay if reachable. If you can quickly access settings account, disable crossplay. Sometimes matchmaking issues hang the message of the day screen. 5. Change DNS settings. PC console, use Google DNS, primary 8.88.8.8, secondary 8.4, or Cloudflare DNS, primary 1.11.1, secondary 1.1. 6. Flush DNS plus reset network, PC only. 1. Open command as administrator. Bash ipconfig flush DNS ipconfig release ipconfigs renew netchase winsock reset. 2. Restart PC. 7. Reinstall repair the game, battle.net's Xbox app, Steam. Go to library, right-click Black Ops 6, scan and repair, verify files. Console, press options, delete game, keep save data if asked, reinstall from disk or store. 8. Relink your Activision account. 1. Visit /ew.activision.com//www.activision.com/. 2. Log in, go to link and relink the platform you're playing on. 4. Restart the game. 9. Check for overlays or third-party conflicts like PC, disable, Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, Razer Synapse /SteelSeries GG. These sometimes prevent BO6 from fully loading past startup screens. Chef, nothing works? Try another account to see if it's a profile-specific bug. Use a mobile hotspot to bypass possible ISP region block. Wait for an Activision patch. This issue has been reported during stress test events and launch updates. SEO